The regional committees of Assam and Meghalaya on Tuesday decided to come up with mutually acceptable solutions to resolve the border dispute in West Khasi Hills, WKH. The decision was taken at a joint meeting held in Guwahati.
Regional committees on boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya in the West Khasi Hills, and more specifically in the Langpi sector, met today uh, at Guwahati under the chairmanship of Mr. Chandramohan Patowari, Honorable Minister in charge, Forests and other departments, and the government of Assam, who is also the chairman of the regional committee of the Kamrup district, uh, and he was accompanied by senior officials of the government of Assam, including the DC and the SP of Kamrup district and officials of the forest department. On the Meghalaya side, as chairman of the regional committee West Khasi Hills, I had led the group and was accompanied by MLAs like Renington Tongkhar, Mr. Methodius Dakhar, Mr. Remington Momin, and MDCs, Mr. Pajok Punro, and Jigur Prathong, and also the DC and SP and the ADM West Khasi Hills district. So the discussions were very fruitful, and there was a spirit of mutual accommodation, and we zeroed in on a few initiatives which the committee would take. One is in response to the claim by the committee that I had led from Meghalaya. The government of Assam was very receptive to the idea that we would first submit the list of problem-free areas where residents of those areas are all inclined to remain in Meghalaya, have been voting as registered voters of Meghalaya, and where the Meghalaya government has been carrying out developmental activities for the past several decades. We are looking forward to seeing that these areas can be legally transferred to Meghalaya, and that possibility is a very distinct possibility, which I assure the people of the state through the active cooperation of the government of Assam that we will be in a position to resolve at the earliest. Two, we have also agreed that there are certain areas which are still problem areas, but we will work out a mutually acceptable solution, and for which the committee would meet in Shillong post August 15. Three, after the 2 points have been taken care of, the regional committees will undertake a joint visit of the Langpi sector and interact with all stakeholders, including the local representatives, traditional heads, and also members of the public. So, briefly, this is the outcome of today's meeting, and we are optimistic that the lumpy sector and problems associated with it would become a thing of the past very soon.